What a beautiful craftsmanship in Yungang Grotto, although it's unfinished work. Okay, I'm back to Yungang Grotto after my first visit 3 years ago. This is the place I always want to pay second visit. Cave number 1 with a stone pillar in the middle of this chamber and with all these carvings around this cave. This is a cave number 2. It's the same with a central pillar in the middle and with a cave and carvings around. This is the central pillar. So this design makes it easy for Buddhist believers to go around to pray. It's cold, -1 degree Celsius. I still see many tourists. Tour guide, last time I was here, tour guide told me this is unfinished work. This is a beautiful Buddhist carving already. One of the most beautiful Buddha statue inside Yungang Grotto, right here. The whole solid mountain here was carved with these Buddhist statues. Originally, all the Buddhist caves have a shelter building like this, but most of them collapsed in history. And these two were made in early Qing Dynasty, about 300 years old. And inside is one of the most beautiful caves in Yungang. It's a dome-shaped cave. This is a typical residential style of like a tent of the nomadic tribes. Cave number 7. This is a Bodhisattva Maitreya sitting in the middle, and 2 Buddhas sitting next to each other. After 21 months of the restoration, this cave number 10 will be reopened tomorrow. What a good timing. This is the cave 11 with a central pillar in the middle with the 4 Buddhas on each side with beautiful color painted statues. A huge project to carve a single cave like this, 1,500 years ago. Flying apsaras who plays music in the heaven for Buddha. Maitreya with the posture across the legs. So is a little figurine supporting Maitreya's arm so that arm will never collapse. Genius design. Standing Buddhas over there is beautiful. In the Yungang Grotto, on the lowest level, mostly is like donors, like Buddhist believers. They are like half sitting on their knees. Next is the earliest Buddhist carvings in Yungang Cave 16 to 20. They were made in 460 AD. Bodhisattvas and 10 disciples of Buddha. 5 on this side. This one, cave number 20, is the most famous Buddha statue in Yungang. And this Buddha has an enormous earlobe and chappy face. And the robe is Indian style or Gandhara style.